Pull yourself down.
Neck oil. So it's lubrication is what it is. We're going to sing A Dew Sweet Lovely Nancy next. A real favourite in the family. And I'm going to do a different anecdote with this one. We were talking about this earlier this week. So we think we recorded an album just as the Young Coppers. So we moved very slowly, sort of glacial like. Over the last 60 years, 70 odd, 75 years, we've recorded best part of 5 or 6 albums. So sort of every decade or thereabouts, and sometimes we skip a decade, so you don't want to be too hasty, so you know how to do things. Every now and again we think, well maybe we'll talk, this started about 3 years ago, we'll record a new album, shall us? That was 3 years ago, so now it's on the back, we're pondering, and presently we'll come about it. But this song, we came, as I said earlier, we went out singing as the Young Coppers about 18, 19 years ago. And we went into a little series, we recorded an album which is available for sale with the amazing Rosemary when she's down there. So all sorts of wonderful merchandise.
She's there.
All sorts of wonderful merchandise, albums over the last 7 decades.
Come on, Rosemary.
It's a long bus ride home. This song we were lucky enough to go around to a set of gigs that were bigger than the normal sort of folk club gigs and little things we do, much like audiences like this. And we did one at, what was it, Bristol? St George's Hall in Bristol. Well, it was the first time they'd ever let us out on our own, you know, we weren't very used to it, and we got up and, blow me, could we find the note to this song? Honestly, we felt like we were up there about 3/4 an hour trying to find the right note. Ding, no, like that. Ding, the poor audience, they bear with us. So I'm teeing this up in case I do the same thing now. You're setting yourself up here. So if I can't find a note, it's because I'm getting Bristol flashbacks. This is
part of the act.
This is A Dew Sweet Lovely Nancy. Please do join in.
Keep it up high.
Is a Jew. Sounds all right.
Is a Jew, sweet, lovely Nancy, 10,000 times adieu. I'm a-going around the ocean, love, to seek for something new. Come change your ring with me, dear girl, come change your ring with me. For it might be a token of true love while I am on the sea. When I am far upon the sea, you know not where I am. Kind letters I will write to you from every foreign land. The secrets of your heart, dear girl, are the best of my goodwill. So let your body be where it might, my heart shall be with you still. There's a heavy storm arising, see how it gathers round. While we poor souls on the ocean wide are a-fighting for the crown. There is nothing to protect us, love, nor to keep us from the cold. On the ocean wide where we must fight like jolly seamen bold. There is tinkers, tailors and shoemakers lie a-snoring fast asleep, while we poor souls on the ocean wide are a-ploughing through the deep. Our officers commanding us, and then we must obey, expecting every moment for to get cast away. But when the wars are all over, there'll be peace on every shore. We'll return to our wives and our families and the girls that we adore. We will call